Yeah, you know Satoshi Nakamoto from Bitcoin? Well, this is an inspiration on Satoshi Nakamoto. And you get the price of Bitcoin live. Majority of people, they write their seed phrase in a piece of paper. This is a new concept in art we designed. It's called ArtHash Plus.
So guys, we have a Pablo with us, and you can see like they are launching the Gadget Maker LLC over here in the GITEX 2025. So Pablo, I can see there are a lot of things that you are kept here. I know the Bitcoin cup and also the binary card and a lot of things like the NFT machines and everything. So I would like to know from your end, like what you guys are launching and how many things are coming up into the future as well.
Right.
So yeah, just go ahead.
Okay, excellent. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Pablo O Brizzio. I'm the founder of the Gadget Maker in Dubai. We design the coolest products in the UAE for the world, right? So all the products you find in our booth, they are exclusively designed for the UAE. Okay, this one just pre-launch. So if you want to get one, you have to go to the waiting list. It's Satoshi's mug. Yeah, you know Satoshi Nakamoto from Bitcoin? Well, this is an inspiration on Satoshi Nakamoto. And you get the price of Bitcoin live. Yeah. Yeah, you can have coffee and you know the temperature of the coffee. Yeah. And also, if you have some milk or sugar, you can also stir it there. And you can get the price of Bitcoin live because it's connected via Wi-Fi with an API, right? And this is for Bitcoin lovers, crypto lovers, people that want to experience, you know, crypto overall. Yeah, this is number one.
So I can see like this is the product that I have ever seen like for the first time. Because I know like on a daily basis, like we go to the watch list or something and figure it out like what is the price of the Bitcoin every day. Because sometimes like the Donald Trump or someone like the Elon Musk will tweet something,
right,
and after a day like it's a whole blood red market. So you do not need to worry about it. Just enjoy the coffee and you will have your...
Correct. And it's more about the experience, right? You can have all these things separate, but it's about the experience that we create for crypto users.
So like, may I know like, is this just a bottle or something, or it's just mining a crypto as well?
No, it's not mining. It's just giving you a Bitcoin price every minute via an API connected to free Binance API. And we're getting the spot price of Bitcoin.
Okay, sounds great. So let's talk about the Crypto Abacus, because this is the new thing that you are launching. And as we are struggling, as you already know, like there are a lot of people, those who are struggling with the seed phrases and everything. So may I know like how we can overcome from this situation to keep the...
Yeah, for sure. So one of the things that got me to launch the Gadget Maker was the need of crypto users to store the seed phrase.
Okay.
Right? So if you come over here just for a second, you come over here. Majority of people, they write their seed phrase in a piece of paper, that can get damaged. You know, maybe the dog can get the paper.
I had the similar scenario in the past. Like I used to mine the Satoshis in 2010-11. So I've got my hard disk and it got crazed or something. So after that, I've lost all the cryptos. And I think like if I would have this type of tool, that will help me to recover the particular thing.
Correct. Yeah, I mean, there's famous stories all over internet.
The pizza story.
And So and even people that lost a hard drive and they are spending a lot of time and millions trying to recover it from the I don't know how to call it, the municipality place where they dump the rubbish. So basically, this is a metallic card. This is a stainless steel card. And we have like a PDF that allows you to encode the words, the seed phrase. For example, if you have a self-custody crypto wallet like MetaMask, like Ledger, like Trezor, Trust Wallet, whatever you have, It has to be self-custody. Then all these words, we can help you to transform them into binary code.
Okay.
Ones and zeros, or punch, no punch in this case.
There is no need to worry about the 12 and 24 seed phrase, just need to look into the binaries.
Yeah, basically, this is, for example, it's very useful if you're going through airport. Many people travel around the world and they want to take their seed phrase with them, yeah? But if you go through an airport and you have a metallic object, there's a chance that the security might ask you, what do you have there? And in my case, if I show them, they cannot tell what this is, right? I mean, they cannot know the words of my seed phrase, right? Of course, I mean, it's just, I'm showing them, there's nothing. My competition, they engrave the words in English in a metal card. So in that case, they have to show them to security, have to show them the English words. So they're exposed. In my case, they're not exposed.
Okay.
So this is our design. It's a unique design. And yeah, and on the back, you can put the name of the wallet, like Ledger or whatever.
Okay. So may I know, like, what are the other things that you have?
Sure. I'll show you.
So may I know, what is this like?
Yeah. This is a new concept in art we designed. It's called ArtHash Plus. ArtHash Plus. Why hash? Because it comes from the mining world.
Okay.
And art because it's art. Okay. So it's digital art, AI generated.
Okay.
And it has a crypto miner. You put your Bitcoin address inside the device. You configure the device, and it's mining. Yeah, it's called a solo miner because alone is trying to find a block.
Okay.
Okay. And this is like a poster in the cinema. You know when you go to the cinema?
Correct.
And you have a poster?
Okay.
Yeah, so you have the experience of having crypto art, and at the same time, you're in your house, in your office, and you know it's mining, right? So it's an experience of mining. So it's not to make money because it's a very slow miner, but there is a chance in millions that you can get the one block. So the blockchain reward, 3
So how much time it will take to solve the one block or something?
Well, it's called a lottery miner. So mining one block, it's like winning the lottery.
Okay.
So usually it will not find it majority of the time, but you have a chance in millions.
Okay.
Right?
So like, may I know, like, for not the whole block, but like when it comes to the mining the Satoshis, like, so it is going to mine the fraction of the token, like the Bitcoin or the Satoshis or something?
No, basically this is all or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, all or nothing. Yeah. So or you win one block or you win nothing. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not about, as I said, a regular miner is about between $5,000 and $10,000, right? Okay. So we are talking about something different here. This is more like a gadget, but it's actually mining. So it's connected to the network and it's participating in the network.
Okay, so I can see like you have mentioned about like the Bitcoin. So do you guys have only the Bitcoin as a miner in this particular tool or something device? Or do you guys have any other plan for the launching the new token into this ecosystem or something?
No, basically for this one, for the mug, some people are launching their own coins. They have companies and they're launching their own coins. They asked us, can you customize this for us? We can, right? So if you're launching your own coin and you want to give your customers like a gift,
okay, sounds great.
Right? We can code it, of course, not for one, but in large quantities we can do it.
Okay, so do you guys have marketplace or something for this?
We have a website. It's called thegadgetmaker.com.
Okay.
Thegadgetmaker.com.
Okay. So, thank you for explaining all this, Pablo, and I think like this is really amazing to know that you have a physical assets as well, those who are mining behind your back. Instead of purchasing NFTs, like you can buy these
art. Crypto art.
And yes, of course, and this is going to be the game changer, like if you're going to solve the block and you will get the Bitcoin as well in terms of tokenization as well. Yeah. So thank you for explaining all this. And it was really nice talking to you.
Ravi, thank you very much. I enjoy your channel, and for your audience, come to the website, explore what we have. We're always launching new gadgets, and we are based in Dubai, so we design from UAE to the world.
Okay, so sounds good. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
so much.